This particular pillow is multi-purpose, of course. It comes in a number of prints and colors and materials, and will continue to, as we do each collection, I will use fabrics from the collection. So we'll constantly have a library of pillows that are dated by the season. But what I really love about this pillow is that it's also a yoga pillow or a seat. So if you want to sit on it, you can sit like this and sort of just relax into it. If you want to sit like this or just feel comfortable in it, it's great as well. But for a meditation or for yoga, this is really a great shape. And you can sit back in it, you can turn it, you can use it in any way you want, but it really kind of gives you the ability to kind of settle into it and feel your center. And especially if people have problems with their knees or certain sort of joints that might be a little sensitive, this gives you a little relief as well. So as a meditation pillow, I like it because I can sit comfortably in it, and I also it's part of the ritual of my meditation, where I have a prop that becomes part of the way I enter the meditation. So sometimes I do this at the end of the day, or sometimes before yoga, I'll do some quiet meditation, or at night. It's a great time to kind of settle in. So this pillow is functional, and it's obviously great for kids to kind of sit on, and everything is easy care, of course, no dry cleaning. So this big old pillow is super comfy, and I am so happy that I am able to share them now.